it came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Still through the cloven skies they come, with peaceful wings unfurled, and still their heavenly music flows o'er all the weary world. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's own gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay, to hear the angels sing. Hear the angels sing. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's own gracious King. The world in somber stillness lay, to hear the angels sing. Hear the angels sing. Hear the angels sing. Hear the angels sing. On a midnight clear.